Remodeling your Los Angeles home is one of the cheapest and easiest ways of getting your dream home. Instead of buying a new home, you can make your home bigger, energy efficient, and more aesthetically appealing through home remodeling. As a homeowner, you have total control over what you want to remodel, whether it's the interior, exterior, bathroom, or kitchen. Landmark Construction Crew is a licensed and professionally trained home remodeling contractor in Los Angeles that has been remodeling houses of all sizes and ages for over 10 years. Landmark Construction Crew provides home remodeling services such as full home remodeling, kitchen remodel, bathroom remodel, flooring, roofing, windows replacement, and hardscape and landscaping. We offer affordable home remodeling services in Los Angeles, Orange County, and San Fernando Valley. Call for a free on-site consultation and estimate today, or visit us on the web for more information. Landmark Construction Crew, your contractor for life.